In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Cursor AI with other apps/tools. Let's get started by opening your web browser and searching for Cursor AI. This helps you land on the official site even if you don't have the exact URL handy. When results appear, look for the official listing and verify you're heading to the legitimate product page. A quick check for a secure connection and a recognizable brand page helps you avoid lookalike sites. Click the correct link to open Cursor AI. You should see either a home page or a sign-in prompt. If you land on a marketing page, that's fine. There will be a clear way to access your account or dashboard from there. Make sure the interface looks consistent with Cursor AI's branding so you know you're in the right place. Next, click Sign In. Choose your usual sign-in method and complete any verification prompts. If you're new, most platforms let you create an account from the same area, but the key is to end up authenticated and looking at the main Cursor AI dashboard. Keep any recovery codes or two-factor devices handy in case you're asked for additional verification. Once you're in, find Integrations on the left-hand sidebar and click it. This section is your control center for connecting external apps and tools. You'll typically see a catalog or list of supported services, sometimes grouped by categories like communication, storage, analytics, or development. Take a moment to browse and identify the tool you want to connect. When you find the app you need, click Connect next to its name. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to skim the brief description to understand what the integration does and which features it unlocks. Some integrations may require certain plan levels or admin permissions in the target app. Now follow the prompts, which will include authorizing access to the app. You may be redirected to the external app's authorization page. Review the requested permissions so you know what data Cursor AI will be able to view or modify. If the app supports multiple workspaces or accounts, make sure you select the correct one. Approve the connection only through the official authorization screen. Never share passwords or secrets directly in chat windows or pop-ups that don't belong to the app. When authorization completes, the Connect button should change to Manage, and you'll see the connected account listed for that app. This confirms the integration is live. You can open Manage to adjust settings or disconnect if needed. If you don't see the update right away, refresh the page or confirm you're in the correct workspace and have the right permissions. That's it. Your Cursor AI integration is now set up and ready to use.